man. She was really sharpening her knife to make sure she can make this thinnest slices as possible, because when it's thin, it cooks in the broth. Maybe a foot massage is in order. That would be nice. Look at this little canal. I really like this place. I know I showed you every time, but I came around here, but I still like it, so I still show you. Look at this. It's like zigzagging around in the city. It's not the same. If that's the Piss River, then everything is Piss River. Ready for white meat? What do you mean? What do you mean? Hey, Daniela, nice to see you here. Daniela from Italy. Come vai, principessa? If that is the Piss River, Dalat has so many Piss Rivers. Oh, this is the place right here is where I come to get my visa extension. I'm not gonna show them because they don't deserve any promotion or anything like that. They're already scamming people. "24-hour bakery is closed." Long Hugo. Oh, this place looks cool. I don't know what it is. Nung. Oh, it's a barbecue place. Huh? Live stream? Yeah. You? What? Who looking? Yeah. People. Hi. Hello. People in different country. U.S., Europe.
Yeah, I live in here.
You live in here?
Yes.
You're from Dalat?
Yes.
Oh. That's cool.
Here, very nice. Many free here. The weather is free. Yeah, people friendly, free.
That's true.
Good.
Today the weather is good.
Yeah.
Today is the first good day.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Is this your restaurant?
Yes.
Yeah. Your name is Hugo? Hugo? Long Hugo?
Yeah.
Okay. It's Nung
Barbecue.
Oh, okay, cool. I will come back here.
Yeah.
Okay. Good night. Yo, Kagilav. Oh, what happened there? Okay. Whoa, Dope Fishy, what's up? Thank you for the bits. Kagilav, I am feeling better. I am. I'm still have pain in my chest, but I'm feeling better. Yeah, he's a friendly guy. Makes me want to go back to that place. It looked good from the outside too, the little place. Wait, where's this? Did I pass it? Did I walk past? Oh, okay, it's still ahead. Okay, it should be on the right. It's called, let me see, it's called Kwan Baba. Kwan Baba, Restaurant 33. Stuffed snail pot. There's a bunch of places that have this that serve this dish. So I don't know. I just picked one on the map. That seemed to be alright, and that seemed to have good feedback, reviews. Dang, my toe is really hurting like crazy. Was it recommended by Lonely Planet? Yes, it was recommended by Lonely Planet and Le Petit Routard. Wait. What? I missed a follow? Barbarian 1604. Is that a different barbarian, or you just created a second account to to make me reach the goal? Guys, don't pull tricks like that. Yo, Eddie, by the way, I missed your message. Nice to see you. I don't know if you're still here, Eddie, but nice to see you. Okay, guys, I need to check the map again. Unfortunately, here in Italy, the code 19 is making itself felt, as indeed in all of Europe, or almost. Unfortunately, I live in a quiet region. Free COVID. Oh, COVID. Oh, okay. You forgot to follow. So how did he? It's not the first time I see you in the stream. How did you know that I was live if you were not following? Daniela, I'm glad that you're in a safe place. It's unfortunate that what's happening in Europe right now, but I'm glad that you're in a place that is safe. $33 Hai Ba Chung. So the restaurant is called 33 because the address is 33. He probably follows you IRL, so he knows. God damn, that's creepy. It's freaky. I think this is the one, but it's the second. But it's the second one. So this is 133, but the address here is not 33. So the Seoul High, it means like it's their second location. So where is the first? Am I on Hai Ba Chung? I'm confused now. I'm on Hai Ba Chung. What's the address? 33, 31. Zero 6 36. Oh, the address is all messed up here. This is 37, 39. Okay, 37. So that'd be 35. So 33 should be here. Maybe they just moved to a different location. Yo, Mail Purse, what's up? First time. It looks super quiet. Do we go there, or do we find another place? Yeah, I bet they have it here because that's the name. Like, I mean, if you guys see here, opnoitet, it means snail stuffed with meat. That's what it means. But maybe I don't know. It doesn't seem like the most compelling spot. I've seen spots that look more compelling, more interesting. Do we go check out another one? Oh, it's the same. It's the same. There are like 4 different locations that are the same the same name. 5, 4, 5. What the? Okay, well, let's check out the other one. There's, there's. They all have the name Baba. I don't understand. Yeah, let's go check the other ones like this. This one looks a little bit boring, but god damn, man. I don't know. I just like to go eat somewhere and let's see if I just type up tit if I get different results. There's so many places that they have Quan Baba up noited, Quan Baba up bu noited, Quan Baba up noited, Gok Baba Laubo up bu noited, up noited. Okay, there's like so many places. All right, let's keep our eyes. Do you really like snails? Need some brains like in your YouTube video? I mean, I ate brain because why should I eat brain again? I ate brain because it was like on the table. I don't know if I'd like, it was like a home cooked dinner, right? So I don't know if I would just maybe they have 4 branches. Yeah, maybe they really like their baba. Yeah, I think so. Because some of them look like. Anyways, yeah, the duck brain was on the table. Like it was like, I'm not gonna go seek out restaurants like, hey, do you have duck brain? Hey, do you have brains? Hey, brains. Although I did have pig brains soup in Saigon. That was interesting. On stream. Okay, so let's pay attention if we see some 33 numbers. Okay, so this is Bundao. This is a coffee shop. Daniela, for your question, if I really like snails, I like some of it. Yeah, I guess generally speaking, I like snails, but it's not like crazy. It's the first time I see snails stuffed with meat. I thought it was a strange combination.
Global is lost. That never happens.
I'm not lost, but thanks for the bits. Feel free to point out things that are inaccurate anytime you want. If it comes with bits, I'll take it. I'm not lost. Definitely not lost. I know I'm on Haibachun. But I went to the location that I found on the map, but it just doesn't look very appealing. So I'm gonna try and find another place. Chica, why do you say you're clingy out of nowhere? we're talking about food and you're just. Anyways, let's pretend you didn't say it. Let's pretend I didn't address it. Look at this. This is like a True Mart, TH True. They sell juice and yogurt. It's like a yogurt and water shop. Maybe a compass is in order. You guys. This is Lao Galai. This chicken hot pot. Oh, this is closed, but it's... Oh. Is it me or is it like a cricket? And it says 100,000 for 1 gram for Joe. I don't know what Joe. Vietnamese are perhaps few Asians that eat snails. Perhaps French influence. No, I don't think so, meal purse. Snails are commonly eaten in many places around Asia, man. Borrow a compass from a store. Thanks for the bits.